going to make a short video to show you how to make a wobbler. And I punched 4 circles just from a craft paper. Then I have some, you can use jewelry wire, or I got this wire. It's used for a lot of things. So, and I got my ball punch. It's a circle. You can use anything that has that's rounded. So the first thing is I'm going to twist the wire around this for a number of times. I'm just going to pull it a bit harder. This is not for just one wobble, you can use it for more wobbles. The next thing is you already have the twisted thread. I did snip it, and then I want to just I'm going to stick my double-sided tape on this. Let's see. You could also take a piece of adhesive paper and stick it on a paper and then punch the circles. That's a better idea, but I just wanted to show you this quickly. So like this. The next thing is I'm going to put this one like this on my foam pad, and I got a sharp tool and just punch a little hole in it, and also here just a bit to the side, because this thread doesn't end in the middle. The next thing is to take off the other piece of the double adhesive tape, and then you take this and twist it like this through the hole, and then stick it on the adhesive tape. And I got some excess bits, so snip it off. I'm going to turn it and twist it until it has enough of the iron, the thread, to make sure it will stay there. Then I take another punched paper, and that's the start of the wobble. Well, you can see it's too long. Then I just will be snipping it, I think like here, and then I will be doing the same thing over here. Take off this and this. If you want to make sure this one sticks really well, you could also put a piece of tape on. Put a piece of adhesive tape on this one. Then I'll take the piece with the little hole in it, and again I will twist this just a bit like this, stick it on, and then I will be placing the other piece on there, and I'm going to push it a bit, you can also enlarge it again, and there is your wobble. I hope this helped, and if it's clear, if you got any questions, just ask me and I will answer them. So have fun and make a lot of wobbly heads. Bye bye.